welcome to Be Worse. And you know what? Diwali is just around the corner, and I know we all girls have started thinking, what should I wear? So this time I thought I will not buy anything and I would keep it super real and simple. So these are my simple and minimal outfits which I already wore in my office or in my daily use. So if you want ideas and option, something fancy or something chum chum wale suits, so you can skip this video because these are so simple and minimal suits which I wear once, twice, or some are even more times. Okay, so this is my first outfit and I'll show you first. So this is my first outfit, and you know what, this is so close to my heart because my mom actually made this a dress for me from her own sari. So this makes it so special, and you have already maybe seen in my last video I wore it once on my Garba night. It's a so simple and flowy long dress, and also every time I wear this I feel so warm and personal and special because of course my mama made this. And also I think this is the beauty of Diwali, that no new clothes, no glitters, just a little thing that carry memories. This is my first outfit for Diwali. So simple, so comfortable, and so special. Okay, so my second outfit is so simple, white kurti with blue embroidery in it, and I love how perfect it looks without trying so hard. And it's a perfect mix of minimal and festival yet comfortable. And also I wore it once in my office with white palazzo pant, and it looks so classy and simple, and it is just perfect if you are someone who don't like chamak dhamak on festivals. And it is so comfortable, so breathable, and honestly sometimes simplicity wins. I will drop the link in the comments if you want that. It's from Meesho, I think. So the next outfit is really pretty pink kurta. Actually it's not pressed, so don't judge, it's new. I actually wore it only for once and pair it with the same color pants, and the white print and a little bit of embroidery is enough to make it festive. And I love how soft and comfortable it is. And this kurta is giving effortlessly festive look and perfect for those who want to celebrate Diwali with so minimum and elegant look. And sometimes I am thinking that we don't need clothes, we just need to restyle our old clothes with the fresh new vibes. Okay, so my next outfit for this Diwali is this yellow kurta, which is so bright and vibrant and giving the totally festive vibes. So I actually wore it once when I went to Vrindavan, and till now it feels so brand new. I pair it with white pants because yellow and white, perfect combination. And also you know how much I love embroidery. The colorful and pretty embroidery is totally giving the traditional touch to this touch to this. Okay, so next up is this black kurta which has all my heart, and I already wore it on the Raksha Bandhan. It already had so much sweet memories with me, and the black color with white embroidery giving so festival vibes without being so loud. And I am love with this kurta and the palazzo. So Diwali could be more perfect if you want a very minimal yet classy look. Try this, and honestly, mark my words, you will never go wrong with black. Black never goes out of style. So the next outfit for this Diwali is so pretty green kurta with green pants and net ka dupatta with that. and honestly I love the embroidery in it. It is so simple yet giving the festival vibes. I actually wore it once on my last year Choti Diwali ka function, and it was looking so cheerful, so bright and green. It is so giving Diwali vibes, and the color itself is so vibrant and fresh, and also it is perfect for daytime celebrations. Okay, so next up we have this green kurta set with printed kurta and plain green pants with matching printed dupatta. So even though I wore it once or twice, it is so simple and comfortable, yet also giving the festival vibes with this print, and I think it is so perfect for Diwali puja or maybe the family gathering, and I am thinking of wearing it with gold earrings. Sorry, I am thinking of wearing it with gold earrings and maybe a cute bracelet to make it more Diwali ready. Okay, next up we have two options. One is maroon suit and second is grey. These suits are same pattern, same prints, but on the different colors. So let's talk about the maroon first, which I have already wear, and the grey one is totally untouched till now. The color is so warm and giving the festival vibe, and the design you can see is so good and subtle yet elegant, and also even though I wore it before, I would like to wear it again. Okay, now let's talk about the grey one, which is completely new. I haven't even touched it for once. So the design is same as the maroon one, but the color is giving calm and soft and minimal vibes, yet looking classy. So I am little confused between maroon and the grey, because maroon is giving more traditional and festival vibes, but sorry, but the grey is also new, so I am also thinking of wearing grey. So let me know in the comments which one you suggest me to wear this Diwali. Okay guys, so this is it for today's video, and let me know in the comments which outfit do you like and which outfit do you suggest me to wear this Diwali. Bye.